Hi, today I'm with me Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here click to volume section and just to unmute ringtone, hold and slide to the right side this blue dot with your finger. Also we have the second way how we can do that, just by using the volume buttons on the right side of our phone. Just first to do that, be sure that this switcher use volume keys for media is turned off, and now just by press the up volume button we can see that we just successfully unmute this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.